Ever heard of Bitcoin and wondered, what exactly is it, and why does everyone keep talking about it? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break it down into simple terms so you can finally understand what the buzz is all about. Bitcoin is often described as digital money, but it's more than that. Imagine if you could send money to someone on the other side of the world as easily as sending a text message, without needing a bank. That's one of the reasons Bitcoin exists, and it's becoming a big deal in the US and around the world. But why does it matter? Think about how we use money today: banks, credit cards, and apps like Venmo. They're convenient, but they also come with fees, delays, and sometimes even restrictions. Bitcoin changes the game by giving you complete control over your money. Let's see how. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone or a group called Satoshi Nakamoto. It's a type of cryptocurrency, which means it's digital and works without relying on banks. Instead, it uses a technology called blockchain. Here's how it works. Imagine a big digital notebook that everyone in the world can see but no one can change. This notebook keeps track of every Bitcoin transaction, and it's called the blockchain. It's super secure because it's maintained by thousands of computers around the world, not a single company or government. Why would someone use Bitcoin? Let's say you're traveling in Europe, and your bank freezes your card because they suspect fraud. With Bitcoin, that's not an issue. Since it doesn't rely on banks, you can access your money anytime, anywhere. Or think about inflation. The US dollar loses value over time as prices rise, but Bitcoin has a limited supply. Only 21 million will ever exist. That's like owning a rare collectible. It doesn't get devalued because more can't be made. Of course, Bitcoin isn't perfect. Its value can go up and down like a roller coaster. For example, in 1 year, it might be worth $60,000 per Bitcoin, and the next, it could drop to $30,000. That's why some people see it as an investment, while others are cautious. So, what's the takeaway? Bitcoin is a new kind of money that gives you control and freedom like never before. It's not just for tech experts or investors, anyone can use it. Whether it's a tool for saving, sending money, or diversifying your finances, Bitcoin is reshaping how we think about money. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll get easy-to-understand videos about finance, crypto, and money, helping you stay informed and take control of your financial future. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.